Hello and welcome to Backpacking Food. And I'm out with the man himself, Mr. Ant Survive the Night. Don't forget to check his channel. And myself, Leon. And today I've brought food from the takeaway. I went for a curry last night and I thought, why not bring my curry to camp? Makes sense. I love curry. Curry loves me. So here we go. Today I've got Bombay aloo with chips, garlic rice and chicken jalfrezi. Now I always say jalfrezi, get it wrong. But we're going to cook this up, or should I say warm it up, and let's enjoy it.
As you can see, my pan is made by Fire Maple. Good quality stuff. So here we go. This is my Bombay aloo. Aloo, whatever it's called. I don't know. Bombay aloo. Just going to put that in there. I'm just going to turn this down a minute. Let's just take that off the heat a minute. There we go, look at that. Straight from the curry house. Oop. Can't beat a curry on a Friday.
Careful. Careful on a Friday night.
Oh, aye.
There's the guy who's having jambalaya.
Very. So Anthony's got his MSR jet stove on. Due out any day really. But it's not going to beat this curry.
Oh, she can smell curry. She's used to curry, guys. She's literally used to curry.
You're not having any? Nope.
Oh,
Not today. Not ever.
Her dad, look at that nose. Oh, yes. Yes, please. She's saying. Any curry for me? Anything going?
This is what did I say before? It's a dupieze this.
Dupieze,
Yeah. So,
aloo potatoes.
yeah, that's right. I wasn't sure if I said jalfrezi because the wife had jalfrezi.
Maybe that's why it's spicy. You got the wrong one.
Nope, I want this one.
I'm now nicking my foot.
Well, this is now done. So I'm going to pop it onto my plate. I'll try and do this one-handed.
Okay. Right, sit down. Sit down. I'm going to try Leon's one.
Don't take me chicken, I've got one piece. Sorry guys, I ate it all, but I left one piece. There we go. Now we have it. Chicken or one-piece chicken. Dupieze. Have a little gander. Get your own spoon. You're not eating off mine.
Let me just take a picture.
While we wait for Ant and my food goes cold.
Get it down yet.
Now while my food goes cold, I might as well tell you about the couple of beers that I had that night. So the very first one, as you've seen on the screen right now, is a Buxton Brewery can. This was a session, and it was called A Girl from Mars. Now the can design is actually pretty cool. Strong. It was quite a strong beer. This it was 4.8%, but yeah, it tasted more like 6.5%. It was quite a very strong beer. Good. 7 out of 10. Gotta have faith, ooh, faith. Anyway, enough of that. Right, this one, Northern Monk Faith It was a hazy pale ale at 5%. This one was quite nice taste. Not as strong taste as the last one, but good 7.5. Bloody hell! It's Beavertown. This was a blood orange, 5.5% beer. Now I'm a fan of blood orange beers. This one kind of missed the mark. Pretty disappointed in that. In fact, I wish there was more of that blood orange taste to it. But sorry, Beavertown, I like your beers as well. But I'm sorry, this one's a 5. I don't think I can have it again either. Bloody hell!
Yes, I am tasting it.
Like I said, don't
See
name
if it's better than mine.
Don't name me chicken.
Doubt it. Ali?
Yeah, you can have a piece of that. Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
There you go.
I'm gonna try that onion.
Onion. You can have a little bit of onion.
Just that.
Yeah.
It's got a bit of sauce on it, see. That is spicy.
I told you it's a bit spicy, that, isn't it?
The aloo potatoes.
No, that's the actual curry.
Is it?
Bloody spicy. Right.
Nice though.
Well, I'm having it now. That's nice. Oh, it's got a kick. But it does the job. Thank you. If you're watching this, or you're hungry, go and make yourself a curry.
Yeah, follow one
Because-
of my recipes.
I haven't made one in the camper van. Murphy curry. Go and watch that. Ooh, that's kicked in. That's hot. Ooh, sorry guys, I kicked in that one. Go and watch his video of the camper van. Absolutely amazing curry. Just watch it step by step. Brilliant, absolutely perfect. It's now morning time, and an awesome curry last night. This is the view of where we're at. And next up, we're just going to make just a simple breakfast. Just a bit of bacon. Nothing fancy. But if you're hungry, it fills the stomach. So we are out. I'm out in the Bobcat. The Bobcat one, OEX. And Ant is in the MSR Tandem
2.
I don't think.
And Bella was also in the MSR. Well, I've got my oil, but because it's a bit cold, it's all congealed, so I'm trying to warm it up. It actually says rhubarb flavour cocktail mix. It's not really. Alright, let's get this bacon on. Blob of oil. Not a fan of this pan, only a cheap thing. Got me bacon medallions. There's the medallions. Get all them crisped up. It's nearly time to dish up. So, got a little bit of tiger bread. And there we have it. A bacon sarnie. There you go, man.
Mine?
It is.
It's ours first. Sit down. Sit down. She's raring to go. Look at her. I can tell you're hungry. Wait. I'm having first bite. Cooked to perfection. Bella? Chef Leon. That is wonderful, mate. Thank you, pal.
No worries. And that's breakfast done. Right, I'm going to cut mine and then we'll cut back. Bacon's done. Now it's time for a coffee. And I think we should be near enough boiled. Oh, yes. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Let's turn that off. There we go. This cup's quite a big cup, so I don't like filling it to the top because I always find that my coffee tastes a bit naff. Naff cafe. I hope you've enjoyed this. It was a lovely camp. And we'll see you on the next one. Hopefully we get to do a fire pit cooking at some point. That is definitely on the channel. Maybe another hot temp one. Let's see what the weather brings. Okay, cheers. Bye for now.